Dugong. It is a marine mammal, largely depends on sea grass, right? And according to IUCN list, it is a species of vulnerable to extinction. Next one, Indo-Pacific humpback dolphin. And it is a species of humpback dolphin inhabiting coastal waters of eastern India and western Pacific Oceans. And these species are protected under Schedule 1 of the Wildlife Protection Act. And 2015 Indo-Pacific humpback dolphin was classified as vulnerable on IUCN Red List of threatened species. Bonnet macaque is endemic to South India. Distribution is limited by the Indian Ocean on 3 sides and the Godavari and around Tapi rivers. And another interesting feature is that bonnet macaque is diurnal, active during daytimes, arboreal and terrestrial. The production is under Schedule 1 category. PORITES LUTEA is a species of stony coral, right? It is found growing in very shallow waters on reefs in the Indo-Pacific regions and forms micro atolls in the intertidal zone. And these structures used to study trends in sea levels and sea water temperatures. And it is native to the tropical Indo-Pacific region, which ranges from Madagascar and the east coast of Africa to Malaysia, Indonesia, the Philippines, Japan, northern and eastern Australia. So very important to note here that these structures are used for studying sea levels and sea water temperature study. Widenose guitarfish. It is found in Bangladesh, Indonesia, Malaysia, Myanmar, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Thailand. And its natural habitats are open seas, shallow seas, coral reefs and estuarine waters. Here this wide-nosed guitarfish is a species which is protected under Schedule 1 of the Indian Wildlife Protection Act. Lion-tailed macaque is also known as a wanderoo, endemic to western Ghats of South India. So they are endemic to near around South India. And this lion-tailed macaque is a rainforest dweller found in the upper canopy of tropical moist evergreen forest. It is, according to its behavior, it is diurnal, daytime active. Lion-tailed macaques are territorial animals, are also omnivores, means they are eating plants and animals both. Animals scatters around areas like Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka. Here recently researchers from National Bureau of Fish Genetic Resources, Kochi, and the Indian Council of Agricultural Research discovered a new species of finless snake eel. So they named it as Aptritus Kanyakumari. Here, world's first vaccine to save koalas from CHLAMYDIA. It is by Australian regulatory which approved the world's first vaccine to protect KOALAS from CHLAMYDIA. It is an infection. Actually, it causes infertility and death in this species, which is listed under endangered in parts of Australia, right? Now this vaccine is developed by the University of Sunshine Coast. The KOALA, sometimes inaccurately called koala bear. So it is an arboreal herbivorous marsupial native to Australia, and koala is found in coastal areas of continents, eastern and southern regions, which inhabiting the Queensland, New South Wales, Victoria, South Australia. So these are the regions where they can be found. At the end, we have to remember that koalas are actually marsupials which are native to Australia and regions where they are found. Here, bent-toed gecko. It's a new species which is recorded from the montane forests of central Assam. Killer whale. It is the mammalian. So the killer whale is a toothed whale or largest member of oceanic dolphin family. No, so this is the only extant species. The most important point is that according to study, the killer whales exploring human behavior. So this is what interested them in their study. They are actually offering them whole prey and waiting for them to respond how the human beings are going to behave to the offer. Here, elephants in highly fragmented landscapes which is experiencing anthropogenic disturbance. In that situation, elephants are shown with higher adrenal activity to cope with stress and reduced metabolic rate to conserve energy in emerging challenging context. So this is very important observation in fragmented landscapes how elephants are behaving. The Indian roller known as Palapitta, which is the state bird of Telangana.